What's going on, guys? So this video, I'm going to be talking about digital door knocking. Okay, so a lot of the asphalt guys, you already know, they get their jobs by door knocking every single day, right? One, two, three jobs, and they go to bed not knowing if they're going to get a job tomorrow. That lifestyle is super stressful, right? So basically, what we have in our company is we're trying to implement a digital door knocking to save you guys time, save you money, and get you more jobs. And it's predictable and scalable. Like knowing that, hey, tomorrow I'm going to get X amount of jobs every single day. So right now I have this Facebook ad, right? This is called Facebook Ads Manager. And I'm going to show you how this client sits in his couch every single day, doesn't door knock, doesn't get word of mouth, who's a nobody. Now, in 1 month, he got 200,000 views. Would you spend almost $5,000 to get 200,000 views? And these views are 30 years old plus, male, female, makes above 100K a year, and has an asphalt driveway. Okay. So far from these people, he got 150 leads and he closed about, I want to say 40 to 50 leads. So 30%. So spent 5K to generate over 50K. Easiest return on your investment of your life. So basically, let me show you what this client's doing. So right now with this client, we spent $4,700. Right now we're getting about $31 a lead, 200,000 views, 150 leads. Okay. So how the campaign structured is we advertise per county. So when you door knock, you want to go to specific neighborhoods, zip codes, cities. We want to get everybody. We want everyone to see our ads. So we advertise per county. So we had all these different counties in Michigan that we tested. And he lives in this county right here. So that's why we pushed it the hardest and the most. Also, Flint did really well. So we're pretty much digitally door knocking on these clients' phones, right? So they're scrolling on their For You page, seeing on Instagram and Facebook, and that's how they see all these ads. And how it's structured is with each ad we have about 3 offers running at the same time. And these are the winning offers that we noticed in this area. Each area has different offers that work. So just to show you the example of one of the ads, let me just show you right now. Let me play one of these ads right now. One sec.
Listen up, Livonia County homeowners. Is your driveway looking dull, cracked, or breaking apart? Don't wait until small damage turns into costly repairs. Restore your driveway's beauty and strength today with Lorenzo's Seal Coating, Michigan's trusted name since 1988. This week only, we're giving $299 off all seal coating projects, but spots fill up fast. We're open 7 days a week using only premium asphalt-based sealer, never watered-down material, and every job comes backed by a 1-year workmanship warranty for your peace of mind. Call 734-521-1867 or fill out the form today to lock in your spot before the offer ends.
So that's how one of the ads look like. And basically what we have is obviously company name, attention, the county homeowners, and then the offer that we have in the description. And then we have 3 spots open, click get quote. So when the clients click on get quote, we ask them qualifying questions, right? We want to make sure that they're serious. We don't want to get their name, phone number, that's it, because you're going to get a bunch of junk leads. So we ask for size of driveway, small, medium, large, not sure. Does it have any cracks or damage? Yes, no. Then we also ask for how soon do you need the service. If they click on within a month or not sure, we kick them off the form. So, yes, we only want to target people that click on ASAP. Okay, and then obviously full name, phone number, street address. And when a client submits the form, they get automatic text. And how does the automatic text look like? Oops, sorry. Let me show you right here. This is how it looks like. Let me make this bigger screen. So pretty much today, let's just show you right here with this client. So today is October 14th. So just today. So far I got 2 leads today. But yesterday he got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 leads in 1 day, right? So instead of you door knocking and try to barely find 1 lead out of 50 doors, this client just sits on his couch all day, does nothing, waits for the leads to come in, calls them, sells them, does the job, and it's super easy. It's super easy, right? It's nothing hard. This is not rocket science. We're basically doing what you're doing in real life, but in the online space, because you can get, in front of so much more people in a faster amount of time. Because you have to knock one by one every single day, while we throw $5,000 in 1 month and we get 200,000 people that sees our ad. Okay, so if you guys are interested in the system, right, click on my link down below. I'll show you the exact footsteps on how I can do this for your business. And if you have any other questions, guys, comment down below and I'll make a video on it. Thanks.